how can you write on an email document on the iPhone? Let me explain that. If it's your first time on a Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe and become part of the community so you never miss anything important. So if you receive an email which contains an attachment document, you can open up the mail as such, and the thing that is attached is going to be visible below. So in order to write on it, what you're going to do is to click on it to open it as such, and it's likely going to ask you to open it within the preview app. So in iOS 26, we have the preview app which has been added, and it works well because you can tap on it as such, open the attached document through this. And right now we have the ability to either use the markup tool, so you can click on the pencil and you can use your finger to like literally draw or write on it with your finger. That's something that could work. But you also have the fill out form button right next to it, and when you click on that, you can basically add like a text field to your document. So that's useful if you, for example, receive like a empty fill out form where you need to type in things like your name or whatever, and you can add text or even a signature. It's the option built into it, so it's been literally designed with this purpose, and that's how you can add things into the email document which you just received, right? So once you're done, you can tap share and save it to your files or email it back or whatever the goal is, but that's how you can write on the emailed documents. So I hope it makes sense. I hope it works for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.